Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas, and I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is impatience normal when meditating? Yes, impatience is completely normal, especially for beginners. It often stems from the desire for quick results or a discomfort with stillness. Recognize impatience as a part of the learning process and focus on observing it without judgment. Over time, this observation helps cultivate patience naturally. I have been dealing with impatience my entire life. I deal with it today. I like getting things done. I like getting things done quickly. I find that meditation has been helpful with my impatience because now I find that my desire to get things done quickly has been surpassed by the desire to get things done well. And quick and well do not always go together. So understanding that in order to accomplish what I would like to accomplish and how I would like to accomplish it will likely take some time. So being more focused on the result, on the outcome, instead of the speed of the outcome. Also with the issue of discomfort with stillness. This is something that meditation has helped me with as well. And I am still a work in progress on this. There are times where I am sitting for meditation and I would like to get up and do other things. Or not even sit down for meditation and just get right to the other things. I found that resisting this desire to avoid the discomfort of stillness has been helpful in embracing stillness. A lot of us may say we want calm, we want peace, we want tranquility, we want all of these buzzwords that bring, let's say, inner peace or joy or still or quiet, however we want to phrase it. But when we have a moment of this or a few seconds of this, we find ourselves trying to get out of this. It sounds nice, but the experience can be overwhelming from the perspective of we're just not accustomed to it. We desire it, but when we have it, we don't really know what to do with it, or we waste it, many things. With that in mind, I find that sitting for meditation and learning how to embrace the discomfort of stillness, eventually it becomes quite comfortable. And now we'll bring our awareness to the tips of the nostrils, and we'll observe the breath as we inhale and we exhale. And now we'll follow the breath as we inhale down the esophagus, down into the lower lobes of the lungs, filling up the abdomen region as we inhale. And as we exhale, we'll observe the abdomen region contract as the lungs force the air back up the esophagus and back out through the nostrils. And we'll simply observe the breath here at the tips of the nostrils. Letting go of judging yourself if you are impatient is very important to move past being impatient. Accepting where you are is very important. Namaste.